This video shows you how to calculate the cost of board production as well as the assembly. Starting from a schematic and a routed layout, at first we take a look at the expected result in 3D view, the mounting side as well as the soldering side. Now we see what the board as well as its assembly will cost. Here we cooperate with our long-year partner Beta Layout, whom you sure will know as PCB Pool. I click on Menu, File, Produce PCB, and PCB Pool opens the calculator. All specifications of the board are recognized. 7 pieces fit to the minimum area of 1 square decimeter. They would cost €98.07. New is the assembly of the board. Press button Component Assembly, and at first you see a list of all parts you had used in your project. A double click on a line allows assignment of this part to assembly. Now several alternatives are thinkable. First is to choose your preferred distributor from the drop-down list. Second, you may use a part Beta Layout already has on stock, so you save time and money. This is the Beta Layout option. Third, you provide a certain part to Beta Layout by yourself. This is the customer option. So if you have own sources for certain parts, send them to Beta Layout and they will be assembled accordingly. Have a look at the cost of assembly. Keep in mind that the cost of external parts needs to be added. To the left you can define the number of boards to be assembled. For the fact that Beta Layout assembles only those boards which genuinely have been produced by Beta Layout, there is no chance to get more boards assembled than initially ordered for production. So if we order 7 boards, we only can order at the most 7 times assembly. Now that we're okay with our assignments, we take over the assembly to the calculation of the board. Add your personal data to the right and order your assembled boards. In a few days you'll hold them in your hands.